college friends, Arjun and Kabir built a brilliant product. They created a wearable device which does not track a person's fitness but it will track their emotions. When this was actually told in the market, everyone were saying that this product is the future. Now these two friends built the prototypes, they kind of pitched it to the investors and they were seeing that their dream is coming true. One morning, Kabir got freezed because another well-funded company created a similar kind of product and they also had a similar kind of branding and similar features. Now these two friends really got upset because their dream was stolen. Their dream was stolen not because it was a great idea, it was stolen because they did not protect it. Now the mistake that these two friends made is they did not file the device technology under patent, they did not file their brand and logo under trademark, they did not have any legal shield to protect the business behind their idea. So this startup didn't die out of competition, it died because of copycats. Now let's take an alternative situation where the same two friends Arjun and Kabir who invented a new wearable device and they actually protected under patent. They also gave a branding to this product and protected their brand name under trademark. Not only that, they also protected the concept and the softwares behind this product under copyright, and if also the product had any trade secret, they protected it under a trade secret agreement. Now when they protected all of this, if any of the competitors who will copy their product, they can immediately file a case against them. All the startups who are newly starting either with a product or a services, you should protect all your business assets under intellectual property. If you are as a startup want to join our business community, there is a link in the description where we will be discussing about many business idea and business proportion. So click on the link below and join. What are those intellectual property assets? If you are having any product and you have created any new technology behind it, then you should protect this technology under patent. If you are forming a new product or if you are forming a new service and you are branding that, you are giving a brand and a logo name to it and you are promoting with a large sum of money, then you should protect your business identity with a trademark. If you as a startup creating any creative content or a software to operate your product, then you can protect this creative work under copyright. Also, you should protect any other trade secrets by creating an agreement between the parties who are involved in it. If you as a startup protect all of your assets, investors will be more interested in investing in your business. Because during the pitch time, every investor will ask about whether your product or services can be recreated. If the answer is yes, then they will hesitate to invest money in your company. And if the answer is no, and the no is supported with all these legal asset protection, then investors will be more interested in investing in your company. Now, Indian government also supports startup in protecting your intellectual property. Let me tell you that there are a lot of schemes where the government is sponsoring the startup companies and they give a subsidy if you are filing a patent. Even if you are filing trademarks or any other assets, and if you are going to get a proper registration for it, then you get a full subsidy for your intellectual property. Also, if you are having a startup certificate with certain compliances done, then you also get a tax benefit up to 3 years. Now, many of you will be thinking that if I'm going to start a company, even before starting a company, I need to actually protect my technology, brand and everything. Yes, if you're not going to protect it, then like Arjun and Kabir in the first situation, you will lose your dream to another competitor. Also, as a competitor, if you are filing a patent, you can take example for Tesla. Tesla was the company which first launched the electric EV vehicles into the market. Now what they did is, they wanted to actually give licensing to the patent that they had, and they gave license all over the world to different automobile company for the patent that they had. Now actually, the Tesla company is not just making money by selling their own EV cars, they are making huge amount of sum by selling the technology behind it. So if you are as a startup having a technology and protected it under patent, you don't have to just sell the product and make money. You can sell the technology also and make millions of money. Startup don't fail because someone had a better idea. Startup fails because they get copied faster. So for that is the reason we are telling you, protect your intellectual property and then keep running your startup successfully. If you are as a startup want to protect your IP and want to know what are all the intellectual properties applicable for my business, then you can call to this number and take a consultation. To sum you up, if you are protecting a technology, you have to file it under patent. If you are protecting your business identity like name and logo, you have to protect it under trademark. If you are trying to register any creative work or software, you have to protect it under copyright. If you are trying to protect your product design, then you have to register it under design patent. Finally, if you want to protect any trade secrets, then you can create an agreement between the involved parties. This intellectual property doesn't protect your ideas, it protects the business behind that idea. Your idea deserves protection, not just prayers. Like this, more useful video will be posted in our channel. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Myself Rohini, your corporate lawyer from Lee Intelligentsia Private Limited.